Hey friends, hi. So welcome to this new video where we'll understand how you can create logo animation for your videos. So let's say if you're doing a video, a corporate video, a brand video for your business or for your clients, and you want to create some stunning logo animations to go with the video. You don't really have to really outsource the activity to any agency or a production company or find an animator to create logo animation. Now with AI platforms coming up, you can select one of the platforms and create stunning logo animations. So recently I've been working on this platform called Renderforest. Let me take you to the platform. This is an amazing platform where you can easily create logo animations for your videos. So let's dive in and understand how we can do this on this platform. So let me drop down this menu. So as you can see, there are various different categories on which you can use this platform for. You can create animations, you can do video presentations, video invitations, you can do animated explainers, whiteboard videos. So let's select animations. And in animation, we'll go to intros and logos. Let's start with, so as you can see in intros and logos, there are various different styles of logo animations that they have. It's all ready, all pre-done. So they have something called YouTube intros, they have 3D logo reveals, they have minimal logo reveals, exploding and burning reveals. So let's select this 3D logo reveals. Right, so here we are. They have tons of different styles of logo animations all done, all styled up for you. You just need to select the template which works for you the best for your video, for your genre, and put up your replace that template with the JPEG or a PNG file of the logo that you might have. So let me show you how it works. Let's select this. Let's say we go with this style. This is solid logo reveal. Let's say this works for me for the current project that I'm working on. So let me just select this. Right. So here we are. Let's play this to understand how the logo animation is. Right, so this particular style looks really good. Let me hit on create now. So here we are. So we are in the edit interface. So all I have to do is select the logo, the one which I want to animate. I go over here. I say upload. And then I select the logo. So I select the logo from the project. One second, I'll just go to this one and I select the logo. So here we are. So the logo has been set up. You can zoom in and set up the logo for the screen, and I say done. It will upload its processing. And right here we have the logo in this template. So all we have to do is select preview, and you can select whatever resolution you want. You can do it at HD 720, HD 1080, or 4K. So you can select any resolution that you want. For this video I've selected HD 1080. I hit as I select this, it will start the rendering. So I've rendered the video, I've rendered this animation already. Let me show you how it looks. So here we are. I have uploaded this video on my channel, and let's see how the logo looks like. Let me play the clip for you. There we go. So this is my logo animation that I did using this platform, where we edited used the template and we uploaded this logo, and that's the result that we got. further, this is the video that we developed, and this was the animation done for the video. Let me show you the other one. So we go back. We select animations. And we go back to intro and logo animation. So let's say I'll show you another project that we did. We use this. Let me just select the category. Yeah. So now this is the different category, which is minimal logo reveals. Now they have, if you're doing any corporate logo and you don't want much movement, so you can go with this style. So let's take this one, minimal logo reveal. Let me go over here. So let's play this one. That's it. It's neat and clean, very minimal logo animation. So this one I utilized for my next project. Let me just hit on create now. Right, so I'll upload the logo over here. Go to my next project. Go to the logo. Right, so I'll just zoom out a little to fit in the window, and I say done. So, and I'll just go to the preview, and I'll hit the 1080 export. So I've already done this. Let me just show you the output. So here we are. This is my next project that we were working on, and that's the logo animation that we got created with this. Okay. Right. So the video plays now. So that's how amazing it is, how quickly and how easily we got both the logo animations done, like in maximum 15-20 minutes. So it's just amazing platform where you can easily create your logo animations for your projects. So all you have to do is go into the section and select anyone. They have tons of different logo animation styles. You can, let's say if I select this exploding and burning reveals. So even this is stunning. It's got some amazing different styles of logo animation. Let's say if I select this and I play this one. It's all ready. All you have to do is put your logo and it's an amazing 3D animated logo. They have tons of different styles over here. So check this out. You will discover in fact many different styles of logo animations, which can be done easily on this platform. So you don't really have to hire an agency or outsource this activity to any animator who could charge you a bomb for creating such logo animations. All you have to do is come on this platform Renderforest and select the kind of logo you want, and it will be done up for you in no time. I mean, I create logo animations coming on this platform in 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. So earlier this was a complex activity where you had to really outsource and give it to animators and sort of wait for them to come back and give you your logo animation, which will be very expensive. So now it's all you have to do is log on to this platform and sign up and start your work, and you can sign up for free on Renderforest. However, when you're doing more than one or two logo animations, you might have to subscribe, and even the subscription is very low. It's as low as about 1,500 rupees a month to about 2,500, 3,000 rupees a month. So it's not all that expensive considering the kind of work you get. So as you can see on the screen, there are various different styles of logo animation. So that's it for this video, my friends. I hope you understood how you can create logo animations quickly for your video projects using this platform. I have given the link to sign up to this platform in the description of this video. So go ahead and sign up and get started. And I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.